Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're in the shave den and it's not time for another shave, but I'm actually going to give you a preview of some coming attractions. I talk about them all the time, but hey, a picture's worth 1,000 words, right? So I've got 3 new items on deck that I'm going to be doing a review on very soon, but I wanted to kind of show you a preview of what they look like before I do the shave. So anyhow, here's 3 items that will be featured in upcoming videos on the channel. So stay tuned. Three cool items I'm here to tell you. I really like the soaps and the aftershave, and that wood stand is just awesome. Mine is kind of a mess. The stands I've been using are like these, and you can see they get all dirty and soapy and everything. But I think that wood one is going to make a nice addition to the shave den, and I'm looking forward to previewing that and the aftershaves and soaps. Well, that's preview of Sneak Attractions. Thank you for watching. They'll be coming soon. Thank you.